What if your land could help reduce your bills, grow your food, and create additional income all at the same time? With inflation rising and grocery prices continuing to increase, more families are turning to homestead living as a financial strategy, not just a lifestyle. Today we're talking about the financial benefits of homestead living in today's economy. Let's dive in. Why homesteading is growing. More people are becoming interested in self-sufficiency, land ownership, food security, reducing monthly expenses. Why? Because many families are looking for ways to gain more control over their finances and daily living. Homesteading allows people to become less dependent on constantly rising market prices. Financial benefits of homesteading. One major benefit is lowering grocery costs. Many homesteaders grow vegetables, produce eggs, livestock. This can significantly reduce monthly food expenses over time. Some families also create additional income through selling fresh produce, homemade goods, livestock products, agritourism, farmers markets. Another powerful advantage is long-term land ownership and wealth building. Land can become a long-term asset, an investment, a generational wealth tool. Homesteading is also about sustainability and creating financial flexibility in uncertain economic times. Homesteading is no longer just about country living. For many families, it's becoming a smart financial strategy focused on reducing expenses, building wealth, creating independence, producing income. If this video helped you, like, comment, subscribe for more financial literacy and real estate content. And remember, small steps towards self-sufficiency today can create greater financial freedom tomorrow.